Mfowethu ngiyabonga. God is love mfethu. Siqala nje unyaka ngithe ngiqale ngento engicabanga ukuthi ibalekile ngikholela ukuthi uma sikwazile ukuyibamba ngempela kungaqaqeka izinto eziningi. Namhlanje kuseni kuyisonto lokuqala nje ngilana ngifuna ukukhuluma about the importance okutholakala wenza something. Be found doing something. First time ngiya emsebenzini mfethu umuntu wayengumfundisi wami uDennis Solomon iadvise anginika yona wathi ndoda njengoba uya emsebenzini please make sure ukuthi you are always found doing something. Wasethi kumina kuzoba nekhathi emsebenzini la umsebenzi kuzoba ngathi unciphile ibusy ayikho but make sure ukuthi you are always found doing something. Wathi ngisho ngathi wamfethu uyoqolozela udonga mfethu yabo hamba oqolozela udonga ufunde ngama rules of the organization izinto ezibhekelene no safety and what not as long as you are found doing something. Ngiyakhumbula mfethu ngiyithatha lento ngiyenza ngelinye ilanga kwenzeka ngempela e-office engisebenza kulo umsebenzi ungekho abantu benganakile ngisanda kuqala ukusebenza ngisebenza e-warehouse abantu beyimele and mfethu kwafika mfethu one of the top managers mfethu in fact it was the umuntu executive umefika mfethu bonke abantu bayirelaxele mina ngibhizi ngiqolozelene ne-laptop uma sefika usethi kumina hawu uyababona bonke bayimele usethi indoda wenzani lapho ngithi I know I'm just reading about the clearing of goods lana kuma harbor na kuma ports wathi ayibo serious ngathi ya uma uyafika ngempela kwi desktop uyabheka kwi laptop la engangisebenzisa ngempela I was busy isikhathi mawukuthi unesikhathi esandleni make sure ukuthi you do something about that time you need to be always found doing something. Enye into mfethu ebalekile engayi advise mfethu umunye ubaba engangisebenza naye wasekhulile ku same place wathi kumina lo baba Thulani yazi usebenza kakhulu emsebenzini uzimisele but one of the mistakes engicabanga ukuthi uyayenza ukuthi uma usuqedile ukusebenza indlela ohamba ngayo uhamba ongazi ukuthi awunayo purpose walk as if nje you don't know where you're going and washo kanjalo we used to have the office le administration elahlala ama managers phezulu wathi labo bantu mabekubuka through the window they don't care ukuthi wenzeni abazi ukuthi usebenzeka hard kangakanani so when you walk you need to make sure ukuthi you walk with intention umuntu okubuka akakubona emsebenzini ukuthi move walk from one division to another you are going somewhere to do something ungabe usuhamba as if you don't have a purpose and mfethu ngisalapho ngicela ukuadvise Vuma mfethu kwabanye abantu abalalele because ngiyibone kabuhlungu lento ibhlungu uthola ukuthi khona abafowethu abasebenza kanzima bagunda utshana abanye abasebenza ko construction umuntu umethatha ibreak ulala khona la emsebenzini esebenzela khona if I were to advise somebody I would say mfethu with all due respect umuthatha lunch zama ukuqhela endaweni osebenza ngisho ngathi u10 meters akubonakala mfethu ukuthi awusebenzi right now because abantu baze bashutha izithombe bashuthe mfethu abantu bakithi besebenza kanzima kuthiwa buka abalala emsebenzini lo muntu awazi noma uselantshini noma unjani because why ulala kuyo le ndawo osebenza kuyo so there needs to be that thing ukuthi you are found doing something ngisho driver thina sikubuka mfethu we need to know ukuthi okay uselantshini khona abantu ozosebenza kanzima bakubone mfethu ukwelunch babona ngathi you are lazy. So that's why you need to be found doing something. It is very important. Sengiya ngizoconclude kulento. This thing of doing something abanye bethu Vuma abantu bayitsho ukuthi we are successful because we had a plan. No mfethu besingenayo plan ephelele thina abanye bethu all we did mfethu sasi loyal in one thing we were found doing something right now I'm speaking here on Gagasi mfethu but Gagasi lingithole somewhere doing something khona umuntu ufuna ukukhuluma kuma red akhuluma endaweni ezithile but you are not doing something right now abantu bazokuthola khona abantu who became biggest artist mfethu batholakala becula emshadweni abanye babecula emncwabeni omunye MC mfethu kwama events the person was doing something be found doing something there's power in being found doing something ngicela ukwenza ibonelo ngabanye Dr. Khumalo mfethu namhlanje they are soccer analyst Dr. Khumalo unama brand amaningi mfethu amkhokhelayo but one thing uDr. wayefuna ukudlala ibhola ukudlala ibhola ekhona ukuvula iminyango kwezinye izinto. Another example engicela ukuyenza because ngeke ngakhuluma ngidokhuluma kakhulu noTshata mfethu abamazi kakhulu ngeRadio. uTshata uma ukhuluma naye uthi Thulani mina mfethu one thing engithanda kakhulu angisho ukuthi ezinye izinto angithanda but one thing that fulfills me the most iRadio but look at what iRadio did for uTshata simazi manje sekuba MC uTshata simazi mfethu seba ama presenters ngisho na TV it started with iRadio uTshata manje mfethu siyambona we acting uyalingisa manje mfethu but it started with him doing something somewhere you need to be found doing something once you do that ngiyangimhleka uTshata because une team ngisho yebhola eyake yadlala Chiefs yama legend bayayihlula Be loyal and be found doing something. Once you do that, mfethu, your doors will open. Uqala unyaka mfethu, khona abantu abangasebenzi mfethu, but kini igceke lingcolile mfethu.
Tulane, awuyiphinde leyo please, because hey, we are dealing with a lot of that.
Yes, ungcolile mfethu, kini kungcolile kodwa awusebenzi. That thing of being found something, ama opportunities azokuthola wenza something mfethu. Khona abantu njengamanje vuma ukufana benze into engayenzi sense. Hamba uqoqa ngakini, uqoqa udoti, ube nemission ukuthi Monday to Tuesday
pavement engasekhaya iclean.
Ngizocela abantu bangipho plastic abamnyama, ngizoqoqa. Nginamafoni manje, ngizoshutha izithombe before, ngishuthi izithombe after. Ngifake ku social media, this is what I'm doing, guys, I'm unemployed, but this is what I'm doing. You are doing something. Khona abantu abazokubuka, khona inkampani engenabo abantu engabaqasha, but if you are doing that, they will make a space for you. Sengiconclude mfethu kulento. Umsebenzi ulendwa ngomunye umsebenzi mfethu. Find something to do. Kuthiwa mfethu izandla engasebenzi they are devil's playground, izandla ezingasebenzi they are devil's playground.
That's true, I know.
iBhayibheli liyayisho lonto. Uma izandla zakho ungayisebenzisi, usathana khona into azoyenza ngalezo zandla, and you will find yourself doing okunaka abantu abagosipha kakhulu emsebenzini. Ukuthi most of the times abantu abasuke bengekho driven, uma ungekho driven, umuntu osuke under pressure mfethu, under pressure, you don't have time to be paying attention to zinye izinto. You are always doing something. This is what I wanted to start with Vuma mfethu. Khona abantu kuzoba nama breakthroughs kubona because uqale wenza something, be found doing something.